On this channel, we normally talk about the best gadgets and whatnot, but in today's video, we've decided to talk about software, the best autoresponder software for email marketers. Autoresponders and email software can significantly impact the success of a marketing campaign. Building a database of customer emails and sending them high-quality and relevant emails can drive both online and in-store sales. Number 1. AWeber. AWeber is one of the most popular autoresponders preferred by all small and medium-sized businesses. It offers an impressive range of over 700 templates and feature-rich tools for creating responsive email designs, split testing, reporting, RSS to email, and more. Subscriber segmentation can also be done based on user activities such as which user opened the email or didn't, who clicked on the link, the products they bought, and so on. AWeber provides tons of seamless integrations with CMS, social media, landing pages, shopping carts, etc. WordPress, Facebook, lead pages, PayPal are just some of the popular integrations. AWeber offers a 30-day free trial period. Click the link below to access the 30-day trial. The pricing ranges about $19 per month for up to 500 subscribers and about $149 a month for up to 25,000 subscribers. Number 2. GetResponse. GetResponse is an easy-to-use email creation software and a fantastic autoresponder choice for small businesses. The autoresponders can be set for time-based or action-based messages. The new marketing automation allows you to create a flowchart that directs GetResponse to take a pre-decided action whenever the user opens an email or clicks on a specific link. Pretty awesome, right? GetResponse also offers a 30-day free trial. The link is in the description below. The subscription plans range from $12 per month for the basic plan to about $1,000 for the highest plan. You can get more details from the link below. Number 3. MailChimp. This is one of our favorites because we actually have used it for about 6 months now, and this is why we love it. MailChimp is a simple-to-use, friendly interface with high-level marketing features. It is cloud-based and has mobile apps for both Android and iOS devices. It offers Autoresponder, responsive list management system, spam filter, diagnostics, along with a variety of sign-up forms as well as tools for social networking integration. It also provides hundreds of theme templates catering to all kinds of industry, with a good section of merge tags for sample customization. The email campaign reporting gives you the numbers for successful deliveries, forwards, open rates, bounces, unsubscribes, along with conversion rate, revenue generated, average value per visitor, and more. MailChimp pricing starts at $10 per month. However, you can use the forever free plan that allows up to 2,000 subscribers and 12,000 emails per month, which is impressive. Number 4. Benchmark. Benchmark is a powerful software with a modern interface that can be used to send compelling and professional email campaigns. The newsletter creation interface and subscriber management sections make it possible to deliver professional and attractive newsletters, while the tools for autoresponder, surveys, and polls are easy to adapt. It also provides the users with several statistics relating to click rate, forwards, bounces, unsubscribes, etc. Benchmark offers hundreds of responsive templates designed for all occasions, and the impressive visual editor tool allows for all sorts of customization. In case you are tech-savvy, you can even build your own email from scratch or edit the HTML of an existing email template. Benchmark offers a 30-day free trial period. The subscription plan starts at $12. I highly recommend this software for bigger businesses with large customer base. Number 5, Constant Contact. Constant Contact is an easy-to-use email marketing service that allows you to design and send wonderful campaigns. The templates are flexible, responsive, and can easily be customized using the drag-and-drop editor. Each account has an access to complete contact management, social media marketing, email tracking and reporting, image library, file storage up to 1 GB, and much more. The additional features included in its Plus plan are the unique registration tools for live event marketing, trackable coupons, surveys, donations, etc. The numerous articles and videos along with the seminars and training programs provide enough learning support to the users to become better marketers. Constant Contact offers a 60-day free trial period. The link is below. And the pricing after that starts at $20. Yay!